Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have begun our comprehensive analysis of Supreme Court of Pakistan judgment presented by Sadana Law Associate. In this detailed examination, we aim to unravel the key legal principles and the insight established by the court, offering a clear understanding of the case and its wider implication. Our analysis will guide you through the intricate judicial reasoning and its impact on future legal interpretation. Today's our analysis is on civil petition number 3381 of 2024, Tanvir Sarfraz versus Federation of Pakistan. This judgment deals with the inheritance rights and focuses on petitioner's attempt to rescind his legal obligation toward his sibling regarding the inheritance of their late father, Sarfraz Ahmad Khan. Supreme Court of Pakistan ruling reiterate the sanctity of inheritance rights, particularly those of female heir, and condemn the misuse of litigation to delay rightful claims. Key legal issues. Inheritance rights in Islamic law, Shariah. The court's primary concern was ensuring that inheritance rights were respected in accordance with the Islamic principle. In Islamic law, inheritance vests immediately in legal heir upon the death of deceased. In this case, property left behind Sarfraz Ahmad Khan was subjected to division among his heir, including sons, daughter, and widow as per Islamic law. The judgment reaffirmed that legal heir have a vested right in the property from the moment of death, and delaying tactics to deprive any heir, particularly female heir, of their rightful share violate both Sharia and Pakistani law. Consent and legal obligation. The petitioner Tanvir Sarfraz Khan initially agreed to joint statement regarding the valuation of property and agreed to compensate the heir according to their share. However, the latter resigned from his commitment, challenging the validity of the consent joint statement. The petitioner claimant did not understand what he was signing. The court rejected his argument on two grounds: that petitioner was literate and capable of understanding the legal document. The petitioner was represented by the counsel at the time of signing, which further invalidates his claim of a misunderstanding. This reflects the principle that signed legal agreements are binding, and it's insufficient to argue ignorance of the signatory had legal representation and sufficient literacy. Fraudulent litigation. The court strongly condemned the petitioner litigation strategy. The suit for partition and specific performance, filed 2 months after his sister claimed their share, was seen as an attempt to stall the division of the estate. The court referred to this as a dishonest tactic and noted a disturbing trend where some individuals, often with the help of lawyer, try to delay or deprive female heir of their inheritance by filing frivolous cases. This practice not only violates Sharia law but also undermines the principle of fairness and justice. The court imposed cost of 3 lakh rupees on the petitioner signaling its frustration and frivolous litigation. This penalty served both as a compensation to the wrongdoers as a deterrent against future misuse of the legal system to delay justice. Legal principle reaffirmed. The inheritance right must be protected. Judgment reinforced the importance of protecting inheritance rights, particularly for female heir, and disallowed delaying tactics that deprive them of their lawful share. Immediate vesting of property upon the death of Muslim. Their property immediate vests in their heir. Legal heir should not be deprived of their inheritance due to litigation or other tactics. Binding nature of signed document. A signed legal document, especially one entered into with legal counsel, is binding, and courts will generally not entertain claim of misunderstanding of it. Due process has been followed. Consequences of the frivolous litigation. The imposition of costs demonstrate that the court will penalize those who misuse the judicial system to deny rightful claims. Conclusion. The ruling in the Tanvir Sarfraz versus Federation of Pakistan emphasized the sanctity of inheritance rights under Islamic law, particularly for women, and court intolerance or fraudulent or frivolous litigation aimed at depriving rightful heir of their inheritance. The decision also underscored the binding nature of the legal agreement and the penalties associated with dishonest legal practices. This case reaffirmed the court's commitment to justice and procedural fairness in inheritance disputes. That's all. Bismillah.